Okay, here we have a question about functions, composite functions, which is being requested by my nephew actually in the UK, who's doing IGCSE 9-1 examination, I think at Excel. And this is a question which is very common to most IGCSE syllabuses. So I will answer this question. And okay, so we got the function f of x is equal to x over x plus 2, and the function g of x is equal to x squared minus 2, and we're asked in this question to work out f of gx, the composite function. Okay, this is where you put one function inside another. It's always the second one that goes inside the first. So this is basically asking us to find, take the function g of x and substitute it inside the function f. Okay, which is the same as g of x is x squared minus 2. So it's basically saying replace the x in function f with x squared minus 2. Okay, we know that, for example, if I said find f3 in the brackets, okay, whatever's in the bracket must take the place of the x. That would be like 3 over 3 plus 2, which would be 3 over 5. Okay, if I put, say, for example, f, and I said put z, okay, inside the function, I would have, instead of x, I'd put z over z plus 2. Okay, so this would go on to be 3/5 here. And so basically, whatever's inside that bracket must replace the x inside the function. So it's always what's written second that goes into what's first. So this x squared minus 2 must take the place of the x in this function wherever the x may be. So here there's two places where the x is. So I've got to replace that x with x squared minus 2 and replace this x with x squared minus 2 as well. So this is going to be x squared minus 2 over x squared minus 2. That's the x part. And then plus 2. Okay, so this leaves me with x squared minus 2 over x squared. Now what happens here is I have to write it in the form a plus bx to the power of n. A plus bx to the power of n. So I have to have two separate terms. Here we have one fraction, so we can split it up into two separate fractions by splitting up the denominator. This is like x squared over x minus 2 over x squared. Okay, now x squared over x squared cancel, leaving you with 1. And you have minus, now this x, I can write it as a numerator and with a negative power. Okay, we have the rule a to the power of minus m is equal to 1 over a to the power of m, and it works both ways. Okay, so 2 over x squared is the same as 2 times x to the power of minus 2, the power of minus 2 only with the x. So we can see that now it's in the form that they wanted, which is a plus bx to the power of n. In this case, a is 1, b is minus 2, and n is minus 2. Okay? So that's the answer to this question, 1 minus 2 times x to the power of minus 2. Okay, I hope that was clear. Thank you.